Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Airtable to your n8n AI automation workflow. All right, let's begin. First, open your n8n workflow. Add an Airtable node by clicking the plus button and searching for Airtable. Next, we need to create a credential to connect Airtable to n8n. Go to the Credentials section, select Create New Credential, and choose Access Token as the method. To get this token, go to airtable.com/create/tokens. This page lists your personal access tokens. Create a new token, give it a name, and then add the required scopes. Add 3 scopes: data, records, read, write, and schema.bases, read. After that, assign the specific base you want the API to access. Click Add a Base, select your preferred Airtable base, and then create the token. Copy this token and store it securely because anyone with it can access your Airtable. Go back to your n8n workflow, paste the token in the Access Token field, and click Save. Once the credential is successfully created, your Airtable is now connected to your n8n workflow. So that's basically how you can connect Airtable to your n8n AI automation workflow. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.